I am Kristin Johnson-Finn. I'm an assistant professor at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute in Troy, New York, currently holding appointments in the Department of Chemistry and Chemical Biology, as well as a joint appointment in the Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences. So today, I wish to emphasize a love for the non-living, the abiotic chemical processes that our world is capable of, overlooked by necessity, in the face of abundant life on our planet. On Earth, there exists an array of naturally occurring environments that can result in the formation of abiotic organic chemical pathways diluted and conflated by simultaneous biology. The same may not be so on an uninhabited world. Our understanding of how the two compare is limited and in need of growth. The research of my newly founded group at RPI explores abiotic organic chemistry in water through hydrothermal and electrochemical experimental studies. Our lab group seeks to explore the kinetics and mechanisms of organic reactions as they occur in geologic environments such as hydrothermal vents, where organic compounds and minerals collide and interact. Through detailed pathway mapping constructed from a combination of experimental results and theoretical calculation, we can provide a framework for future experimentation and interpretation of natural organic processes in geologic settings. Understanding organic chemistry as it may exist geologically can inform spacefaring investigations of other worlds, simplifying our search for biochemistry left by our nearest neighbors. If you'd like to learn more, please join us as I give an EAI seminar, and join the EAI as they provide more seminars in the future.